running a business can often feel like a 24-hour job. And if you're like the rest of us, you absolutely love what you do, but you fear the inevitable and elusive burnout. This is why passive income is so vital to begin incorporating into your business. That way you can actually spend time away from work and enjoy the world that is going on around you. One of the most valuable streams of passive income that I've started incorporating into my business is digital assets. And what I mean by that is anything someone can purchase online and use in the digital space. So this could be a Lightroom preset. So your Instagram looks beautiful and cohesive, so you make a preset. That way others can purchase that and make their Instagram look like yours aesthetically. You could create some kind of stationery set where they can add a to-do list, a calendar list, and just some kind of organizational set that matches your brand or whatever theming you want. For me, in my industry, I had to think a little bit outside of the box. I work in product photography, but my branding is very fantasy-esque, euphoric. I take products and turn them into beautiful, surreal scenes. But to do this, I use graphics such as clouds, and I add sparkles or I add smoke or fog, depending on the style I'm trying to go for. So I created a digital pack where I sell a lot of these digital assets that I use to enhance my images, to help other photographers also enhance their images. So not only are you making money from this revenue stream, you're also helping others in your industry, others that look up to you, and it's not limited to just your industry. Whatever product you create, you can still market and advertise to people who don't follow or support you at all, which that is going to be a huge game changer when it comes to making money. If this is a revenue stream you decide to pursue, there are some logistical aspects you have to think about, like where am I gonna sell these? How do I get it to the consumer? Personally, I have a Wix website and I've just added a page onto my website where people can purchase this digital asset pack I created. However, it did cost me almost $200 to upgrade my Wix account in order to sell products. And you can do this with Shopify or any other host website. But if you're starting out and this is an investment and you're not sure how it's gonna go, I recommend using Etsy. Etsy is great because it costs 20 cents per listing. Anyone can make a listing, and you're also able to target people organically. I made $12,000 last year alone on Etsy with no outside ads being ran. That is insane. It was all traffic based on people searching something similar to what I was selling, and they stumbled upon what I had, which is a huge difference between Etsy and a website. A website, you have to actually have people click on your link to go purchase the item. The biggest downside to Etsy though is if you're looking to brand yourself and look more professional, Etsy is not the place to go because your shop is pretty much the same as every other person's shop. It's the same layout, customization is very limited, but it is a great alternative if you're not looking for that huge startup cost. No matter what industry you're in, there's knowledge you've acquired along the way that others deem as valuable. Now, most people would probably create a YouTube channel or a podcast where they'd share snippets of information here and there, hoping that they get enough views to make money to pay for the time they spent creating that content. What if I told you there was a way we could minimize all of that, create one document, take your time, make it detailed, and then sell it across all of your social media platforms? This is where the power of ebooks come into play. Unlike a YouTube channel or a podcast, you don't have to rely on fluctuating views every month to have some kind of income. The ebook can be comprehensive and you can sell it across Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and of course, everywhere else that you can think of. Another fantastic passive income stream is affiliate links. I know, affiliate links I feel like have such a bad connotation, but really, they are so helpful for a business. I started using them because I am in product photography, and with that I have to buy lenses, cameras, and everything under the moon. However, all of this stuff can also be purchased on Amazon. So on my website, I created a page where people can look at the exact equipment I use and the exact materials I purchase, and then they can go purchase it for themselves. Now, I'm not only helping others in my industry and helping my followers and supporters, but I'm also making money from it for something that I would still be sharing regardless. So for example, right now I'm using a camera lens. This lens is $1,200. If someone uses my link to purchase this lens, I get 4% commission, which is, I believe, about $48 for something that I would have shared regardless of whether I was getting paid for it or not. Each product category on Amazon has a different commission payout, but the coolest part about Amazon affiliate is that if someone clicks on your link, even if they don't buy the product that link took them to, if they buy something after clicking on your link, you get a commission based on what they purchased. As I'm sure you're aware, affiliate links are not exclusive to Amazon. A lot of companies in your industry probably offer referral programs because that does nothing but benefit them and bring them more customers. So if you don't see anything advertised about it, don't be afraid to ask a company on Instagram or send them an email asking if they have some kind of program for you to refer your followers, supporters, clients, whatever it may be, and I'm sure they will get back to you with an answer. For instance, in product photography, I use a lot of vinyl backdrops. They're special backdrops specific to the industry for various reasons, and there are a couple companies that sell these, and they also have referral programs. So not only do I get to help new and upcoming photographers know where to purchase great equipment, I also get a little bit of extra cash in my wallet for it. We are now on to our final income stream, and that is mentorships. I'm not talking about the kind of mentorships where you have to create this huge, long, elaborate list of tasks and follow up and make sure people are doing okay. I want to be as hands-off as possible. That is also why I don't opt for courses, because courses take way too much time to make, and Facebook groups is a great way to interact with people and engage one-on-one, but I don't want to have to continuously talk to people multiple times a day or just follow up. I don't want to do that. So, micro mentorship sessions. People can talk to you one-on-one for 45 minutes to an hour. You decide. It is a beautiful way to put extra money in your wallet, number one, while also helping and educating others. It builds your relationship with your clients because you get to talk to them as a real person. You're not just a figurehead to whatever it is they're interested in. The way I would probably structure something like this is I would say, hey guys, this month I'm hosting a mentorship session. There are only 4 spots available for 45-minute one-on-one sessions. Book now. This is the topic. It could either be something about product photography, business, getting clients. Pick some kind of topic so you can funnel where the conversation is going to go. Offer a different topic every single month. The beautiful part about this is you are creating scarcity. Now, the law of supply and demand, when supply is short, demand is high. So by telling people there's only X amount of spots available, it makes them feel like, hey, I have to book this spot or else I might miss out on this incredible opportunity. If you guys found any value in this video, please consider subscribing and giving me a giant thumbs up. It truly helps with the YouTube algorithm. If you have any passive income or even just any income streams that you think are amazing, please let me know. I love making money and I'd love to try it, and if I love it, talk about it. So that concludes today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.